far-off adventures. I just wish I was big so I don't have to do this anymore. William the Conqueror, whose cause was favored by the Pope. Ugh.
I'm late! I'm late! Oh no! So late!
Now that's something you don't see every day. You went down that deep dark hole. I'm going in. What could possibly go wrong? This could be a hair-raising adventure. Get it? I'm going in.
Seriously, a knock-knock joke. It's because I'm the door. Hilarious.
I thought you'd be open to a good joke. Let me in.
No, fine. My key's on the table. Definitely do that.
What if it's poison?
Seriously, this story has just gotten started. And you are the main character. It's probably not poison.
Good point. Okay, bottoms up. Hey, I'm shrinking. Shrinking to the right size. You locked again.
Oh, where's my key? Oh, left it on the table.
Hey,
Oh, look! There's a little cake.
with a note. It says, eat it.
Hey, maybe you should eat it. Who knows? It might help you grow. Or it might not. But you know what? You still get to eat cake.
Good point, Dory. Wait, taking advice from a door?
I've told you already. Get used to strange things from here on out.
I'm getting bigger. Oh no, I'm huge.
I'm late! Oh, the queen will be savage if I keep her waiting!
Oh, you better watch out. With all those tears you just cried made this giant pool, oceanic pool of water. Rushing away.
Whoa! Now I can swim through the door.
Rush away.
I wish I hadn't cried so much. I'm all wet. Look, there's a mouse. Oh, mouse. Hey, mouse! Maybe he doesn't understand English. Perhaps she's French. Oh, yes, Marchette. Did you just ask me where your cat is? Sorry. That's all the French I know. Are you afraid of cats? I'm a mouse. Would you be afraid of cats if you were me? I love cats. My cat Dinah is the best. She's so fluffy and great at catching mice. Catching mice? Nice. I'm out of here. Wait, come back. I'm sorry. I won't talk about Dinah if you don't like it. Let me tell you about dogs. My neighbor has a wonderful dog. He catches all the rodents. Do you not see that I'm a mouse? Touchy. Wait, come back. Let me tell you about snakes. What happened? Please do come back. We won't talk about cats or dogs either if you don't like them.
You're soaked. Did you guys get caught in the pool too?
Yes, I'm soaked. Are you okay here? Oh, I'd be better if I were dry. And I just realized I'm talking to a mouse and a dodo. Everything is so confusing here, wherever here is.
I guess we all won?
This is so confusing. Well, oh, Alice, I'd like to tell you about my tail. Oh, why I'm afraid of cats. My tail is a long and sad one.
I mean, it is a long tail, but why do you call it sad?
My tail. My story, not my tail.
Oh, you have a knot in your tail? Let me help undo it.
No. You're not understanding. I'm going to take my tail and go. I wish Dinah were here. My cat, she catches all the mice, and birds too. Why, she'll eat a bird as soon as look at it. I wish I hadn't mentioned Dinah. Oh look, a little house. This is White Rabbit on the door. This must be where he lives. Oh, Rabbit. Huh, no one's home. I didn't find the rabbit, but I found another bottle that says drink me. Of course I'm going to, because something interesting is sure to happen. Oh, I'm huge. What happened to my house?
What do you mean?
Just look at it, Dodo. There are giant legs sticking out of it. Get an axe and chop them off for me.
That's gross. It's your house. You do it.
We have to get it out. I guess there's only one thing left to do. If they had any sense, they'd take the roof off.
Take the roof off.
No! We must burn the house down! If you do, I'll set fire at you.
Please, take them.
This is cake. Chocolate, delicious cake. I'm shrinking, I can't get away. I have my house back. Tea, Dodo?
Sure, I'd love tea.
Oh, that's so late! You're a blue caterpillar.
Smart girl, who are you?
That's a hard question. I know who I was this morning, but I've changed several times since then. Well, every time I eat or drink, I change size. It's awfully confusing. I'm lucky this dress is an elastic waistband.
It's not.
Just wait till you change from a caterpillar to a butterfly. Then you'll see how strange it is.
Butterfly. I don't understand. Now, who are you?
Tell me who you are first.
Why?
Just, okay. Can you tell me how to get bigger?
Eat from one side of my mushroom and you grow. The other side you will shrink.
Which side is which?
I forget, but remember, eating and drinking random things will always help solve your problems. Bye.
I forget. Blah, 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 blah. Whatever. I'll just take a piece of each. Hey, I'm growing. Did you see that? I didn't know cats could grin.
We can, and most of us do. It's because I'm a Cheshire cat,
Cheshire cat. You can grin and talk.
among other things.
Awesome. Can you tell me which way to go?
Where do you want to go?
I don't care.
Then it doesn't matter.
Well, I want to go somewhere.
You're sure to get somewhere if you walk long enough.
Great. So you're a philosophical grinning talking cat.
Listen, the Hatter lives that way, and the Marksman lives this way. Visit either you like. They're both mad.
I don't want to be around mad people.
mad, it growls. But when I'm angry, I wag my tail. And when I'm happy, I growl. Therefore, I'm mad. See?
Anyway, hurry, not growling.
But granted, are you playing croquet with the queen?
I haven't been invited yet.
I'll see you there.
Where'd you go? Where'd she go?
Which way will you go?
Don't do that.
Sorry. Which way will you go?
I don't know.
I don't know where that is. Did you say no or go?
Okay, I'm leaving.
Where's the other? She's in there yet.
She's in that little white thing. She's the dodo duck.
A very
I think
merry
my
on
friend looks
birthday
alone.
to you. Yeah? Well, it's not your birthday, so it has to be your unbirthday. Whoa, spoiler alert.
It's not. That's the name of the sequel.
There's another book?
Yes, every time Alex goes to the class.
Interesting. I like it.
No room.
No room. No room.
Nonsense, there's plenty of room.
So you're not going to leave?
Nope,
Okay, well, would you like some soda?
I don't see any.
There isn't any. You are to Torty Party.
Burn. Wait. Why is a raven like a writing desk?
What? I have no idea.
Me neither.
They're both mad. I don't have time for this.
If you knew time as well as I do, you wouldn't talk about wasting it. It's him.
What? They're both mad. No, I'm leaving. Oh, look, this tree has a door. Why, it's the garden I've been looking for since scene 2. I'm leaving this loony bin.
Well, don't go away feeling mad.
Why are you painting those roses?
Yeah, she did.
Who?
You know, she asked for red rose and I put in my phone mistake. If she finds out, it's off of my head.
It's pretty violent for a children's book.
Boy, into that real danger. We are a murder police. A fantastic villain, if you ask me.
All bow to the queen! Who are you? What's your name, child? My name is Alice, Your Majesty. And who's this? What have you been doing here?
I planted white rose by mistake. I'm painting them red to fix it.
I'll fix you. Off with your head! Go ahead. Alice, come play croquet with us. You need these. An umbrella and a hedgehog? What am I supposed to do with these? Like this! Watch out, watch out, watch out. Can we try that again? everyone's head. No, you'll go to trial first. Seize her!
I'm sure you're all pardoned. She wouldn't have subjects to rule otherwise.
Read the charges.
The Queen of Hearts, she made some tarts, all on a summer day. The Knave of Hearts,
She stole those tarts.
and took them quite away.
Jurors, what's your verdict?
Not getting Your Majesty?
Fine. Call your first witness. First witness?
That would be me, Your Majesty. I am the Hatter.
Give your evidence and don't be nervous or I'll have you beheaded on the spot.
Nervous? Nervous? Me? No. Do I look nervous? Your Majesty, I'm a very poor man.
You're a poor speaker. Dismiss.
Oh, thank you.
Off with his head.
What?
What are the tarts made of?
Pepper mostly, and molasses.
How would you know that? The poem said I made the tarts. Behead that hair!
What? No.
Third witness! Alice! What do you know of this?
Nothing, whatever.
Time for the verdict. Sentence first, verdict afterwards.
What? No.
This is so confusing. Hold your tongue. No. Get her! What? Get her. I'm not afraid of you. You're just a pack of cards. Off with their head! What? Go! Get her! Nothing but cards! Oh, I had the most wonderful dream. I dreamt that I saw a rabbit, I went down a hole, and I ended up in the most wonderful land. I met a talking cat and a wicked queen. It was Wonderland. I'll always remember you, Wonderland. See you in my dreams.